see, it is a simple question. Sine inverse of sine theta is theta. You know the formula. Sine inverse of sine theta is theta. So do you think it should be 3 pi by 5? It could be, provided the angle lies in the principal value branch of sine inverse x. What is the principal value branch? What is the principal value branch of sine inverse x? It is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here. This is the principal value branch. And how much is the angle involved? Theta is 3 pi by 5. If I just like that try to convert it in degrees, never necessary, it is 108 degree. Does it lie in the first or fourth quadrant? No, 108 degree, or this 3 pi by 5. So the angle involved is 108, which does not lie in the principal value branch. What to do then? In that case, C will continue like this. Sine 3, how do you work out an angle of the second quadrant? Pi minus alpha. So to 3 pi by 5, we'll write pi minus 2 pi by 5. Please check. See, 5 pi minus 2 pi, yes, 3 pi by 5. And what is sine 180 minus theta? Sine theta. Or sine pi minus theta is sine theta. So you get sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 5. And of course, 2 pi by 5 lies in the interval negative pi by 2 to pi by 2, 72 degrees. So sine inverse of sine theta. Now, of course, I can write property that is sine inverse of sine theta is theta. And what is the value of theta for us? It is 2 pi by 5. So final answer is 2 pi by 5. Now look at this one. Cos inverse cos minus pi by 3. Again the same problem as in the first part. Cos inverse of cos theta could be theta provided it lies in the principal value branch. Now what is the principal value branch of cos inverse x? It is 0 to pi. This portion. But the given angle is minus pi by 3 in the fourth quadrant. It does not lie in first or second quadrant. So how to rectify? See, cos inverse, do you know? Cos in the fourth quadrant is positive and cos of negative theta is cos theta. So I can write it cos pi by 3. And now of course pi by 3 lies in the given interval 0 to pi. So we can write cos inverse of cos pi by 3 equal to pi by 3, as simple as this. Now tan inverse of tan pi by 6. What is the principal value branch of tan inverse x? It is the open interval negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. Boundaries are not included. And the angle involved is 5 pi by 6 or 150 degrees, which lie in the second quadrant. So it is not in the principal value branch. And how do you rectify the angle of the second quadrant? We find the value using 180 minus alpha or pi minus alpha. So do the same here. Tan inverse tan 5 pi by 6 can be written as pi minus pi by 6. You know sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine pi minus pi by 6 will be tan pi by 6. Tan 180 minus theta is also tan theta. So you get pi by 6. Now please make a correction here. Tan in the sine, of course, in the second quadrant is positive, but tan in the second quadrant is negative. So tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. And in the fourth quadrant, if theta is there, then you know tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. And our angle could be in the fourth quadrant. So this minus tan pi by 6 should be rewritten as tan minus pi by 6. Then it will work. Because minus pi by 6 lies within the interval, that is the principal value branch. So finally, tan inverse of tan theta is theta, or it will be minus pi by 6. 4 pi by 3. What is the principal value branch of sine inverse x? It is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And what is 4 pi by 3? It does not lie in this interval. It is 4 into 60. It will be somewhere here, 240 degrees. Just doesn't lie. So how to rectify this? Let us find the value. Sine inverse of sine pi plus pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 may be written as pi plus pi by 3. And sine in the third quadrant is negative. So it will be sine inverse of sine 180 plus theta minus sine theta. So minus sine pi by 3. And you know, sine in the fourth quadrant is negative. So sine of negative theta is negative sine theta. Or negative sine theta may be rewritten as sine of negative theta. That is sine of negative pi by 3. And this negative pi by 3 very much lies in the principal value branch, negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. So finally, sine inverse of sine theta is theta applicable. So minus pi by 3 will be the answer.